According to the World Economic Forum, the skills gap is now the #1 barrier to business transformation, meaning the real risk is not technology, it's people being left unprepared for it. By the end of this decade, 92 million jobs will be displaced, while 170 million new jobs will be created. The question is no longer, will the world change? The question is, will we prepare people everywhere to change with it? This is job transformation at a global scale. And it isn't just about engineers or coders. It's about teachers, IT workers, bankers, entrepreneurs, and students entering the workforce. It's about all of us. That's why organizations around the world are stepping up. As part of our commitment to the World Economic Forum's Reskilling Revolution, we partner with academic institutions, workforce development organizations, and our ever-growing developer community to help reskill and upskill globally. Because reskilling is not just a necessity, it is the great equalizer of our time. When skills become accessible, opportunity becomes universal.
I built Robocco because there are 100 million refugees worldwide. With digital skill, they can climb up the social pyramid. And also with remote work, they can be anywhere on earth, and that's why we connect those dots with Automation Anywhere.
At Automation Anywhere, we are on a mission to fuel the future of work by unleashing human potential. And that future of work belongs to everyone, regardless of where they live or their background.
We are sisters from Gaza. We found ourselves here in Egypt. Stuck in Egypt. Our family is still in Gaza and we are alone here. Every day we learn a new thing, especially in AI. It's a great thing, yes.
The Tenderloin has more children than any other district in San Francisco. And that means there's more youth that are in need of upskilling and learning. More children that need to learn how to get out of the Tenderloin and to live a better life and how to break the cycle of poverty.
I've worked with people with disabilities for over a decade now, and folks who are neurodivergent can oftentimes really excel in the tech space and in the tech world. They just need to be given a chance. I'm seeing them step up and succeeding because the platform is so user-friendly. I'm seeing them grow. I'm seeing the platform grow, and year after year it builds on itself. And every single year it actually gets better.
With access to Automation Anywhere University for learning and teaching resources and certification scholarships, free access to Automation Anywhere Community Edition, robust programming for our Pathfinder developer community, and laptop donations for hands-on learning, we empower our partners and learners everywhere because access to technology can change lives.
Using these resources like automation and the laptops, we have learned many things.
Let me tell you about a guy who came to our program. His name is David. He lived in his car. Once we were able to get him enrolled in classes, get him a laptop, giving him the skills, giving him support and mentorship, he now has an amazing tech job. But not only that, they belong. Like, you belong in this high-paying job, in this technology field, and you can do it no matter what your background is.
Now that you've seen that minimum wage threshold that is being shattered here, it's raising that quality of life, and they're able to provide for their families.
So for those that are considering upskilling, the time is now. I think first is to figure out what your goals are, where you want to go. It's a great time to be alive at this point, I think, to be able to learn what is technology about and what it can do for us.
I want to learn as much as I can so I can help others. That's what an MVP means to me, really being that voice.
We conducted a massive workshop where 7,000 people doing something at that scale. That's where our partnership with Automation Anywhere will significantly help us. So now students get to access the best of technologies and learn the best of tech while implementing.
This partnership is helping us create some really meaningful new opportunities for our communities across India. We are confident that the same innovations driving global industry can also uplift those who have been historically left behind.
My name is Ibrahim Augustine. I'm 18 years old. I live in Tanzania.
My dream is that I can study these skills and I can teach them to a woman of Afghanistan.
The only thing that's going to matter is how quickly you can learn the new stuff that's coming. Because the person who's going to matter the most is the person who stays relevant. It doesn't matter if you have a PhD or a master's or which school you went to, none of that matters if you don't know how to reskill yourself.
We think that by using AI tools and partnering with great companies and organizations who are willing to pay it forward and support young people, we can then really expand the skill sets and upskilling of the next generation of workers. When we're working on things like these AI-powered internships with Automation Anywhere, that internship can be accessed by students from anywhere at any time. And so that excites me because it means we're going to have a whole different kind of person learning these skills and a whole different kind of person building the technology and businesses of the future.